Y'all, this wig gets puffy like it's my real hair. But I just went Halloween shopping, for decoration shopping at Spirit. I didn't even do an intro. But hey y'all, it's your girl Tidy back with an episode from your favorite show on your favorite channel. And as you can see, this is the ghetto intro. But I just left out. Everybody's gonna come to my house on Saturday for Halloween. And I had to be like a good host and be like, you know, providing the vibes. So I'm gonna show y'all when I get home and I decorate. Hey y'all, so I'm finna go get my nails done. Don't mind the hair. But yeah, I'm finna go get my nails done. So I'm not really late, but we should just start driving just in case, you know, traffic is a little bit ghetto. But I'm gonna go get my nails done from, I feel like she does my shape the best. I've been going to somebody else recently just because she does feet and nails, and like she does like a real pedicure. Like it's hard to find somebody that does both things and actually gives me like a full like salon pedicure, because some people just, you know, just do like the acrylic and not like the whole. I need like to get the calluses, get the you know, get all that, the corns, and get all that off. I don't even think I have corns, but you know, I need somebody to do all that. And I had found somebody, so I've been going to her. But now I had to, for my Halloween nails, I wanted to go to the girl that I feel like does my shape the best. Because if my nails aren't cutting people when I walk out, they're not sharp enough. And I don't even get stiletto. I get like regular square coffin, but them edges need to be sharp. And she's the only one that does it. And her handwork, her free handwork on like designs and stuff, chef's kiss. It's chef's kiss. So I had to go to her because I had a specific design in mind that I seen. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go to, and she lives close to me. So we're gonna go there, and then on Thursday I'm gonna get my feet done by the girl that I've been going to lately. So yeah, but that's a whole nother day. I'll come back when we go to that day. I'm gonna make this video go all together because this is basically like the vlog about me getting ready for Halloween. So yeah, this is, yes, when I went shopping, that was what day was that? That was Sunday. Yeah, Monday I didn't do anything for Halloween, like get anything. I did, my outfits did come. I didn't try them on yet. I'm gonna try them on and show them to y'all, but I didn't try them on yet because I wanted to make a video with that as well. So I just wanted to delete the bag clothes, but hopefully the outfits can fit, because I don't even know if they can fit. But come on, why she not turning? She been there looking like Mrs. Puff in the car about to blow up. Anyway, so I got that yesterday, so I'll probably show y'all that tonight, and I'm gonna decorate tonight, I think. But today is Tuesday. I got my nails done Wednesday. I don't think I'm doing anything. I might go get a few other things from the store if I need it, but I bought a lot of stuff the other day. And then Thursday I get my feet done. Friday, nothing really exciting. And then Saturday is the party. Saturday is the party. So yeah, but I'll see y'all when I come back from getting my nails done. Just how they look now, they look raggedy. I snatched them off earlier. They give me a rag them off. So yeah, I'll be back when I'm done getting my nails done. Hey y'all, so I wanted to show y'all my nails because I never showed y'all when I was after I got back in the car. It was too dark. I got there at like 6 and she didn't, I'm at 3 and she didn't finish until like 7. So yeah. But here they are. I'm gonna show them. I'm gonna show them to y'all. Aren't they so cute? She did exactly what I asked for. Exactly. This is the one hand, and then the only thing different on this hand is the spider web. I'm like, yes, period. Get into the details of the face, like. Nobody else would have did this how I wanted them to do it besides her. And that's why I made sure I went to her. But yeah, so that was pretty much it for today. I'm about to just eat. I went and got some Pizza Hut. Well, this is some juices. Some juices I got from the market. I never seen these two flavors before. Pink lemonade and lemonade mango. I've never seen them before, so I had to get them because I love me that pineapple mango, or what, a mango, what is it, pineapple mango from Wendy's. So if that don't taste like it, somebody's gonna have to see me. Oh, and this is my Fashion Nova package that I'm gonna open soon. I don't even know what I'm gonna do it today because I wanted to try on the clothes with like makeup. You know how people be trying on clothes but they got their makeup done already? Like, I want to at least get face, because I be trying on outfits and don't got no makeup on, no hair done, and you can't even get the whole picture. You know, you don't really see how the outfit give until the hair is done. Like, doing your hair and makeup could really make an outfit just look so much better than without it being done. Be looking like a tech head trying to put on a cute outfit. Like, girl, please. It's like a crackhead who stole the outfit at this point. But yeah, so I'm about to just eat. I'll think about trying to close on. If I do, y'all see it. If I don't, y'all probably won't see it until tomorrow. But that's pretty much it for tonight. But yeah, my nails are so cute. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. And if y'all want to know who did them, her name's gonna be right here. I'll put her name. I'll put her name right here for y'all. Don't say I never helped y'all. Don't say I never put y'all on. Okay, but yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow.
You niggas are contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, baby, I'm arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts, I can keep no conflict with you. What can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, you know you my thug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been down, baby, I've been on your fast. Lost in no finding love. I've been down, baby. I hate you. I do. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you meant to handle me. Used to be not violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with me. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That means no permission. No missionary getting boring. You switch positions. Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen. No. I've been down, baby. Heavy reminiscing. Heavy on the missing. You don't wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the night. Wonder if I hate you. I do. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. If you wonder if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, yeah. you to go now. I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Don't fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Don't dealing with you, so I'm back, yeah. Bitch, back on my pussy, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby, one thing that you should know. Little baby, bounce back, yeah. Act like you a stranger, yeah. Memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded up to 42 quarters, too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, think me. One bitch on my level, ain't no question. I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this rose gold, so cold. Oh no, I can't fuck with lames like you no more. Back up on the scene, out here acting foolish like I'm 17. I just bought a new whip, don't need gasoline. I just think you're new, bitch.
I'm gonna lay down, try to do it on my face.
Take